welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys aren't tired of E92 M3s because we're back with Alessandro's, and then we also have this new one. It's white. It's the competition package. It's my homie Cameron's, but today in this video we're gonna be kind of detailing the exhaust setup that he has. But here he is. All right, let him know.
So it was my 2013 E92 M3. It's pretty bone stock, minus a full stainless steel system from Valvetronic Designs. It's their V2, so as opposed to electric valves, it's a vacuum, so it's probably going to be less prone to failure. So the Valvetronic Designs V2, the full system, was $29.95, and you might be able to hear it actually. It's on and off. The big button is off, and the small button is on. I believe it's open. There's a small little hiss. So now, if you listen hard enough, you probably hear it open, but now it's open. Yeah, it comes with two controllers. I think it's a pretty bulky controller. I think soon I'm gonna Velcro a little sticker right here so I can mount it.
So in this video, we're basically gonna get a little sound test. So we're gonna get the startup, and then we're gonna have the difference between valves open and closed, and then we're gonna do some revs, and then probably some flybys, and then let's see, and then probably in cabin as well. But also we're probably gonna get a little brief build breakdown of his E92 M3, and then that'll be it for today.
2013 E92 M3, 6-speed manual, half fox red interior. Inside is bone stock. The car is a competition package, so it did come with electronic dampening control, the carbon roof. The suspension is about half a millimeter lower than the base M3. I guess we're starting to back work our way towards the front. Obviously the full Valvetronic Designs V2 exhaust. I opted for the chrome tips. They're a little dirty, but this is the Mashimaro V2 high kick spoiler. That's it for the back, and then I wrapped the wheels in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. It's going to be a 285/35 19s in the rear and 255/35 19s in the front. I think that's about it. I do have the M Performance front splitters in the front.
Let's go over to that.
They're a little beat up, but eventually I want to get a GT4 front lip so I can match Alessandro right here. I have carbon hood inserts for the vents. I believe this one is a functional vent and that one doesn't do anything. And the Mashimaro V2 F80 style grills.
Alright, so how about we discuss some of the future plans you have with the E92?
Future plans? Well, in the foreseeable future, Olin's Road and Track. That probably runs about $2,500. I do want to get those just for the adjustability's sake, and I do plan on tracking it occasionally. That's why I want to get the Road and Track.
This is the bottom end of the exhaust, and as you can see, it's a really intricate system. We're gonna see just how loud it is, but yeah. God, it's so loud.
That's how much a muffler does. Like, that's crazy.
This is so loud, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, close it. Oh, he's not getting pulled over with the valves closed. All right. Dang, how long? Dude, open it again for comparison. Oh my gosh. This thing's a beast. I guess guess that's why it was 3,500. Jeez. Oh my gosh. All right, let's do some revs. I'm scared though. You're good. Oh my god. Whoa. Holy shit, this is so loud, bro. Oh my god. All right, so we brought Alessandro's car to kind of compare the exhaust between one of the Valvetronic and then one in his setup, basically. We're gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna do some sound comparisons. All right, do it again. All right, this dude gonna get us freaking caught by the cops, boy. This dude keep running.
My car's dirty. I went to the beach.
He's about to wipe out Justin, bro. So we're gonna get some in-cabin sound tests for the Valvetronic exhaust, and unlike Alessandro's, his is manual, so you're gonna see him shifting through the gears. Is this closed or open?
This is open.
Okay, for sure. Just wondering.
Yeah, we can do some closed and open.
Okay, cool.
This person.
Oh my god! That was pretty loud. That was pretty loud. Jeez.
Just a little loud.
That was decently loud,
Just
bro.
a little. Just a little. And then we can do valves closed.
Yeah.
No
So
one will even know we're here.
now the valves are closed.
From a standstill, valves closed.
Yeah, valves closed. Pretty discreet. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's such a difference. Oh my gosh!
It's a huge difference.
Dude, that's a huge difference, man. Like you could do a full-on, you could do full throttle and you still won't sound super crazy.
I didn't go full throttle because we don't have that much space.
Yeah, and like it revs out high, so.
Yeah. Security guard.
Uh-oh. Security gonna get us.
Time to leave.
Nice. Nice.
It gets a little rowdy.
Yo! There's no way! Oh, shoot. There's just no way. Wow.
And when I want to wake up half the city,
There we go. I like that. The suspension feels pretty good. Really, it does.
yeah, I mean it's a little stiffer than the base M3,
Mm-hmm.
so that helps it a little bit. But it's a little, I don't know. I think the tires helped a lot because how wide the track is.
Right. This dude is a savage, bro. Dude, a huge difference, man. Huge difference.
Massive difference. That's one is go to jail and one is invisible.
it's back to our quiet and stock cars. It was really fun. Shout out to Cameron and Alessandro for coming out. Until next time, see you in the next video.